Oh, hey! This is Chris Whitman with MarineMax Maryland. I was just hanging out on the back of this brand new 2024 Aquila 36. It's got a great view hanging back here. I can also have it nice seating for when we're underway. We're going to show you later how this whole thing extends to a sun pad. But since you're here, let's go through the boat together. So she's powered by twin Mercury 300s. These are JPO. They're painted white to match, so I have my joystick control up at the bow. I'll show you later the best swim ladder you have ever seen. As I get older, the more I like a good ladder to get back on board. But come on, we'll get back to that in a minute. So if we wanted to hang out and throw a couple of rods in, there's rod holders on either side, and we can go ahead and pull that fish out and we can grill it right here. And if you want to drink while you're doing that, well, heck, help yourself. So fuel tanks are on either side. This whole window closes up. This is what's known as a cruiser package. The reason we're such fans of the cruiser package is my season starts earlier. My season ends later. I've got AC in the cabins, but I have AC in the salon as well. So I'm good for whatever the season is. And if you need extra storage in the back, our port side storage is enormous. But I'm going to step on in, kind of show you the place. Oh, I almost forgot. One of the biggest things I like about this, and I'm going to get out of the way, is doesn't matter what side I'm docking on, because I have nice doors on either side of the boat that fold in. We have a lot of fixed slips at this marina, so for tide changes, that's an absolutely fantastic thing to have on both sides. Well, come on inside. So welcome inside. I went ahead and closed off the glass back of our cruiser package. Another nice thing about this is it is lockable. So if I'm in a marina, if I am transient and I want to make sure that everything is safe and secure, including myself and my loved ones, I can lock this at night. I've got additional storage here, another fridge inside. We've got a sink right here, plenty of counter space. This is optioned with storage here. But when we all want to eat, we want to be out of the heat and we're inside, you can't feel the air conditioning in here, but trust me, I appreciate it today. So nice lounge area here. This is reversible. So when we're anchored up or in the slip and we want to have a meal, we'll just simply extend all of this. I've got a lot of good seating. There's a lot of good shelf space on the back. This boat makes a great use of its available space. All right, we're in a 15-foot slip, which is why I love the Aquila 36. We can fit in here, but the boat is literally beam to beam of usable area. And that's what you get in a Power Cat. Now, of course, my favorite spot is at the helm. So we're going to get underway in a little while. I'll put that back so you got a good view. I've got my Mercury throttles right here with trim assist. I've got my joystick. I've got my vessel view, twin 8612 Garmin screens. We're ready to go. Oh, got my tunes too, but we're not going to mess up the video with that right now. So one of the funnest places for these boats is definitely on the bow. Whether we're underway and you're sitting across from me, or we're at anchor and you're laying out, this is just an enormous versatile area to use. If we were anchoring out, I've got a windlass right here with a remote. I will keep that window and door closed that you just walked through because I do have vents in the roof that make for nice, if I don't want just AC and I want a little air, I can get great airflow through there. But if we're just hanging out, this is definitely the place to be. We're not going to do this all night, so we'll have to come back when it's nighttime to really get the effect of that blue trim lighting that's under the top. These boats at night just strike such a scene, but you know what? We'll get to that when you come by for the sea trial. So this isn't my 2024 Aquila 36, so I won't get to sleep down here tonight. But at the end of the day, this is a great place for a couple to retreat to. If you have friends and you want to bring aboard, what I'm showing you on this side is also on the port side as well. And if you don't want to bring friends and it's just a couple and one of you snores, having that second stateroom is going to make your life so much easier. But I've got blinds for all these, just great windows for view right at the water line. I've got a head with a shower and a private door there. There's a huge closet back there. Along the sides, there's other cabinets. So there's plenty of storage because the boat is designed for you to be out for a week at a time, if not more. It's up to you how much you use the boat. The more you use it, the more you'll love it. One last thing I'll point out is her electrical panel. It's why we're on the starboard side, because I call this the captain's, because everything is right here. So my battery switches are here, AC controls, generator controls, everything's right here on this panel. It's easy to read, it's easy to operate. Whether this is your fourth boat or your first boat, you're going to love the Aquila 36. My name is Chris Whitman with MarineMax Maryland, and that's today's walkthrough of our 2024 Aquila 36.